What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys and tell you why I'll always change the hub with the bearing. So take a look at this surface on this guy. So this is the new hub that I'm going to put into the bearing. Here's the ones that this one, if you could clearly see, it's taking a lot of rubbing there. This one looks pretty good here. You can remove this raise, but this little guy right here, I seen this, I made this mistake. So the diameter here and the inside and here and the inside is the same, but here is not the same. So if you put this on, your bearing is gonna fail. I had those scenarios where the bearing will woggle around in there. So it's always a good idea to get yourself a new hub, replace it. I'm doing this bearing on this Camry, and it's very critical. We took a lot of stuff apart on this baby, and spent almost like 2 hours compressing it. And I've done this in the past. You literally learn from your mistakes. So look at all the stuff that I was doing over here. We removed the whole thing over here just to get to the bearing. So why not replace this little guy? And it's only, but this thing is only like 40 bucks. You can pick up this from AutoZone, Pep Boys, and compress this baby right in. It gives you new studs and everything, so everything is nice and fresh. So thank you for watching my video, guys. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to send me a message. So very critical piece. I learned big lessons with this. I only can tell you, I'm going to show you one more time. And if you look at the surface area, you can see small little tiny scrapes in there. So over time, this bearing was so bad, the race started to spin on this, and that caused the damage to this. So you do want to replace this, everything together. Thank you for watching.